Hello, welcome to the first in this series. We'll be looking at how to create an account on Shoptreo Market Place as a vendor and start selling. So without no further introduction, let's get started. Open your preferred browser. I am using Chrome. Now on the search bar, type shoptreo.com. Okay, if this is your first time coming to this site, well, you're welcome to Shoptreo Market Place. It is a nice site. So to start selling, you can click on the Start Selling button here, or click on the My Account button here also. But I'll use the Start Selling button. To register as a vendor, first check this. So more options can be available for you. Now I will input my email. Then the first name, last name, the shop name. This I will call Shoptreo Usability Guide. I'll just right click here to correct the spelling. Now for the URL, I'll click on the bar and the link will automatically apply. Now I'll add the phone number. After adding this information, I will have to agree to the terms and conditions. But please, it's very important that you click this so you can read the terms and conditions yourself.
I'm working, I wanna be great, yeah. Working, I wanna be paid, yeah. Every decision I made, yeah. I ain't never been afraid, nah. I'm always trying new things, yeah. That's how you grow and succeed.
So read it, and after that, come back and check this box to notify Shoptreo owners that you agree to their terms and conditions. Having done all this, I will click on the register button. So just like the information highlighted in green says, you can check your email now to complete the registration. But in the case whereby you didn't receive an email, please click the send again button. Once you do that, you can go to your email and check the email. Now this is the email I'm talking about. So when I open it, I'll click on this link to verify the email. It is advisable to walk through this step, though you can skip it for later time. But right now, let's walk through it. All the details here are necessary for your account to be approved. So go ahead and fill them. Now click on continue. This one I'll skip for now. Alright, I can now go to my dashboard.
I know I'd be lost. I want my music to finally take off. If you hate on me, you don't know me at all. Keep my head down, I don't have no regrets. Everybody gets so crazy upset. Sometimes it's better to think and reset. You never know.
The password given to me is in the email, but I would like to change it. In short, it's advisable to change it to your preferred password. To do that, I'll go to the email, copy the password, then come back to this dashboard, and I will go to settings. And from settings, I will go to the edit account. Then from here, I will change the password. Then save changes. Alright, this is how you go about creating an account on Shoptreo Market Place as a vendor and also change the password to your preferred password. Next on the series will be how to edit your information from a dashboard. Thank you for watching and hope to see you on the next slide.
Keep your head down.